Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony Smart TV and it's giving you a 2123 error, 2123 error, and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do about it. So real simple is that this is a network connectivity error. So the TV is unable to connect to your internet, your Wi-Fi, your network system. So really troubleshooting this error is like troubleshooting any network connectivity situation. So you're going to want to, if it's hardwired, you're going to want to check the wiring going into your TV, into the wall. It's most likely going to be on Wi-Fi. So you want to check your Wi-Fi, make sure it's on, make sure it's not too far away from the TV, and just try resetting your router. If it was connected before and it has lost connection, just reset your router and see if it doesn't reconnect. So anyways, yeah, you just need to figure out why your TV is not connecting to the network with this 2123 error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.